friends, my name is Ashwini Chandratri. In the last session, we learned about secretary. Today, we are going to learn about types of secretary. So let's start. So there are two types of secretary. One is personal secretary and the institutional secretary. So the personal secretary or a personal assistant is the oldest type of secretary. Next, secretary of a non-profit association. A non-profit association looked after the management committee, which is selected by the member. Secretary may be full-time or a part-time person working. Secretary of a corporate society. The member elect the representative called management committee. One of the member of managing committee is appointed as a secretary of a cooperative society. Next, secretary of a joint stock company. A company secretary is appointed right from the company time of the company is formed to look after the various aspects of the business. Secretary works under the control of the board of directors. Next is the secretary of a government department. In the functioning of Government of India and state government, a secretary is the administrative head of the ministry of the department. In the union and the state government, secretary holds positions as the head of departments, the secretary of other body corporates. So here also the secretary is appointed who looks after the administration heads. Next, in each type, the qualification and the appointment is different. For private company, it is done by the owner and the board of directors, and in the public company, it is done by the government. Let's see the functions of secretary. First function of secretary is correspondence. Next, office management, reception function, financial functions, and arranging meeting. All these are the functions of the secretary as it performs the basic clerical functions and office responsibility of the company. Next functions are statutory functions, assisting in formatting meeting, providing information, and administrative functions. Secretary performs administrative functions like assisting in appointing employees, distribution of office work, supervision, etc. Let's see the qualities of secretary. The secretary should possess certain qualities. Apart from academic qualification, a secretary requires certain qualities such as accuracy, adaptability, cooperativeness, courtesy, initiativeness. So, such qualities should be possessed by the secretary. Other qualities of secretary are leadership, loyalties, orderliness, pleasing personality, and knowledge seeker. Yes, the secretary should update his knowledge as required to enable to perform the statutory functions. Secretary should have a pleasing personality. This implies his way of talking, mannerism, and etc. Other qualities are like punctuality, sound judgment, tactfulness, which means ability of a person to handle a situation. So, in this lesson, it gives an introduction to what is meant by secretary, what are features, important types, functions, and qualifications to become a secretary.